So guys, it's my Sc400 right here. Gang shit, you feel me? Sc400. This is before right now, you know. I got fucking towed, got that bitch back, swapped the fucking trainee in it. Automatic though, automatic.
V8.
It's still V8 though. Sc400 guys. I gotta get the 400 right here. Gotta get it right there. But yeah, it's a piece of shit.
Get your Instagram tag or some shit right there.
For sure.
Look what they got. They got the new Carnival Lava Wax.
This nigga.
Sounds like some fucking
shit.
drugs,
and
man.
my homie, he's got the clean ass Honda. You never can go wrong with the Gen 6 Accord, bro.
Look, we finna get a spider kit on it. Bumper, front lip, some side skirts. We finna get a tent going. All right.
For real.
Mechanically, everything's great except for the catalytic converter.
Yeah.
And the window doesn't roll down. The driver's side window. I think that's literally it though. Other than that, it's fucking.
If you guys follow my channel, this is the one that was in the 0 to 60 Honda Accord pool. So yeah, this is the one. So yeah,
it's a sleeper, trust.
It's a sleeper. Let's get it going, bro.
Somehow landed in your room. I popped another half. I might not see that afternoon. I might not see that.
You doing the tire wax right now?
Bro, you see the brake smoking?
Tire cleaning? Yeah.
Bro, it's because that fucking brake is locked up, bro. It's hot. Because it's locked up.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's locked up. When I raise the wheel up, it's locked up.
I'm shaking. It's so fucking cold. That's not good, dude.
I know. I gotta get it fixed. I gotta take the wheels off when it's not fucking cold, man.
Me and my brother till I die. Cause that's my.
Gonna get the wheels recoated.
Yo, got to, bro. Pre-soak on it. Alright, there it is.
All that bird shit off of there.
Oh, for real, bro.
You need to get some headlight cleaner. Your headlights are actually pretty clean.
This one is, that one's dirty as fuck, but it's from the inside.
Classic on the track, boy.
I feel the worst, but I'm still wishing you the best. Every morning, what would matter to me? Reminding me of my past. Seems like only thing I'm good at is making you upset. Treating me like a pest and wonder why I left. Cause I was tired of all the stressing, unable to rest. Wondering what type of bullshit you be mad at next. I ain't even wanna do it, but I had to. Shit, I was glad to. Shooting at me with your fucking words, so I stabbed. Bitch, got on my nerves like that nigga Ned Flanders. I remember when she came at me with a hammer. You said taste you beautiful, you said big fix your grammar.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
I always had an answer, but I see my heart exposed and you fucking broke through. Still remember the day that I told you I love you. Respect the water, fucked up shit, bitch you still chose to fuck with every other nigga, and this shit was so rude. Most of your family used to be like my kin. I'll never fall in love again. That's what I told myself, but then I fell in love, bitch, so I went. Most of your love was just for pretend. You wanna hop up in my bed. That's what mama told me in the end, to keep these bitches as my friends, but I'm still wishing you the best. Every morning wake up mad at me, reminding me of my past. Seems like only thing I'm good at is making you upset. Treating me like a pest and wonder why I left. I was just tired of all the stressing, unable to rest. Wondering what type of bullshit you be mad at next. I ain't even wanna do it, but I had to. Shit, I was glad to. Shooting at me with your fucking lights on stack. These bitches playing games, yeah, it's feeling like a Zuno. Put me up and bring me down, just like I'm dominoes. Rookie in his prime, bitch, I feel like I'm Beatles. This girl is so foul, she should come with free throws. She just like my shadow. Tell her if she had me, just leave it. She said fuck no, but she said she can't trust me cause a nigga had mad hoes. Because a nigga had mad hoes. In high school, y'all used to be cool. Now I'm up and y'all down looking like fools. And my 50K in debt and that child mindset. Damn, y'all niggas done got addicted to easy. I feel the rush, but I'm still wishing you the best. Every morning wake up mad at me, reminding me of my past. Seems like only thing I'm good at is making you upset. Treating me like a pest and wonder why I left. I was just tired of all stressing, unable to rest, wondering what type of bullshit you be mad at next. I ain't even wanna do it, but I had to. Shit, I was glad to. Shooting at me with your fucking light, so I stabbed you.
Hey, yo, cut off. Cook it up. That shit ain't no average.
The AR came with Fendi and some titties with a Louis purse. Outside with gorillas, test your luck, you put up on some merch. Clock a little rusty, little dusty, but I'm still shooting first. Got his ass lucky, pants down, he tripping up off the perks. Well, what you thought this was, cause I'ma get you touched for talking tough. My dick must make a good hammer, she keep wanting her nails done. Up the skull like I'm Shaquille, I'm ballin' off the pill. You best not stand still, nah, this ain't no drill. How you have the right to remain silent and still sneak? She gon' feel me belly dancing, never run out of stamina. How you finna lie and snitch, but they got your ass on camera. So many rats inside the grass, got a snake to go eat them out. You can have the good or bad way, shit, I'm down for either route. What you said, I ain't heard ya. If he talking tough on the net, asking for murder. These hoes like a burger, keep asking for extra cheese. Since my ABCs, I kept it solid with the game, I've been a jerk. 1, 2,
Bro, it's cold as hell, bro. It's cold as hell.
5, 6, this chopper never miss. Like 7, 8, 9, do the crime, better do the time. I'm a real ass nigga, bitch. You ain't gotta worry about mine. These niggas off at cases, they be posting shit for TikTok. Make a pussy nigga piss when he hear that click. Ain't no better than fuck with me, ain't got no time for shit talk. They call me the well remix because I got the shit on lock. Damn, drinking punches out the line, that's the punchline. 2022, these niggas still waste my damn time. Give a nigga 6 seconds like he shooting a fucking vine. Only come up out the house for quarters, not no damn dimes. And that still hit like it's Brian Urlacher. Don't get it confused, my dude, we only fuck with packers. Me and my bae, she say I got the moves like I'm Jagger. Should've stayed in school, all American like I'm Jack Swagger. Like a swagger, you just get.
Why you gotta squeal? Hold on, run that back. Come back.
Go back.
I fucked that up.
You trying to do a burnout.
It didn't work at all.
Right there. Now yank your e-brake as hard as you can. All right, now drop it in the first gear. All right. Go.
Oh shit!
Right. Back to the smoke fest. Wanted to say thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you stay tuned. More SC400 content coming very, very fucking soon. I do videos on the daily. Also do a lot of gaming shit. Everything is down in the link below. Just make sure you fuck with your boy.
Everybody dies right, selling most don't make it to the limelight. We all just wanna shine